Hey guys, welcome back to Falcons RC. We're finally back on the construction of the learjet 55. I want to show you the landing gear again. I showed you the landing gear on another video of some of my other airplanes. The servo is already in here, and we have an extension that is going to come all the way up here. What we're going to be doing now, what I'm going to do, is going to be building the wings for the learjet 55, so we can go outside and do the glide test on it. Okay guys, let's go now with the pictures of the construction of the wings. Hey guys, as you see, I decided to use balsa wood instead of cutting the airfoil with foam. I was cutting it with foam. I actually cut a couple of them with foam, but then I was thinking that whenever I start putting pressure, bending this foam, bending the top over, I think it's gonna mess up my airfoil. So I decided to cut them with wood. You see right here, I just cut every single one of them with balsa wood. And I have to cut 5 of this one, the biggest one, because I'm gonna use, an extra one on the other wing, and the 3 that are gonna be inside of the wing. The part is gonna be on the fuselage. Of course, I have to cut 2 of each one, because 1 for each wing. And this is the wood that I'm planning on use to reinforce the wing. It's about, I don't know, a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch thick. It's base wood, and of course it's gonna have like a bevel cut. It's gonna basically be cut like something like that, to simulate to get the airfoil from thick to thin. Okay guys, let's keep working on this thing now. Okay guys, here we have the wing ready. As you see right here, this is basically the part, my friends, where you get frustrated when you are building a scale airplane, if you want to have a nice airfoil on your wings, because it really takes some time and some patience to get it done. But I'm very happy with the results, because it turns out very nice and square, the way I want it. This is where my iron is gonna be. It's gonna be balsa, but it's gonna be covered with foam on the top and the bottom. This is gonna be aileron mixed with flat, and it's gonna be a very nice looking jet, my friends. I really like it a lot. The reason why I put foam in here is to have a large surface to glue into it. That's why I put foam beside the balsa, as you see it right there. Let me just give you a last quick view of it. If if you're working on something like this, to give you an idea. Basically, the more tedious part on this part of the building is scaling down your airfoil, because after you get your airfoil on, the largest one, you have to scale every single one down. And all I did, I just have to draw them down and kind of copy them and draw them down. It was a little bit tedious, but I finally got it. From this big one into the every 5 inches, smaller, until we got to this nice one right here, the little one. As you see, if I put this thing flat on the bench, every single tip is touching the bench, and I'm very happy because that means that everything is square nice. All of them are the way scaled nice and good. Okay guys, real quick, I'm going to show you this. I already sent the speed control back to the factory, so I'm expecting the other one in a couple of days. I already run one battery through this CDF2, guys, and I'm very happy because this engine did not get hot at all. My speed control was barely warm, and my battery was warm too. And that was running a battery from full throttle, you know, from full throttle to half throttle to full to half, and I run it like that for about 7 minutes. Very awesome result because I didn't warm up nothing, so I'm very happy. So now I know that it's not gonna get very hot when I'm running this thing up on the air. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, so you can see how the building of the Learjet 55 is gonna turn out. These are 70mm CDF with a 45 amp speed control. I'm gonna be running first a 3-cell LiPo, then I'm going to be using the 4-cell LiPo. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next flight.